Falstad simulation. So from here, so I hope that you are using laptop or computer. So we will go to full screen version. Anyway, class, my presentation, it is been recorded, so no problem. You just play it again and watch it again, okay? Go to circuit and then blank circuit, okay? So we will perform the table number 1. It is stated in the circuit that we need to put a input and sources, okay? So in the passive component, it composed of two capacitor here, capacitor and polarized. We will go to capacitor, which is a non-polarized, because we are using alternating current power supply. So since it is connected in parallel or a series rather, so this is the capacitor 1, then capacitor 2, then capacitor 3. Then we will connect it to another capacitor, which is the capacitor 3. Okay? Now, we need a output and level here. Then we will go to ammeter for the current. Okay, this is the current. We will connect here. The question that I asked you before, why do we need to put a resistor? This is my first question, this one. Why there is a resistor here? So the exact answer for that, I will connect first without a resistor. What will happen? So that this is the exact answer for that. Okay, so we will add wire here, and then we will add source. What is our source, AC or DC? So as I told you, our source is in alternating current. So here, I will connect alternating current here. Okay, class. Then I will run. Did you see? I cannot run this simulation because he said, did you see this? Capacitor loop with no resistance. So meaning, a pulse stud simulation is looking for the resistance. We need to put a resistance here. That's why we need to, okay, to remove this wire, okay, delete this wire, and then we need to insert a resistance or a resistor here. Okay, so there is a resistor now here. So next procedure, it is to change the value. What is the given value? 10 microfarad. So right click, then 10 microfarad is the given, but we need to change the voltage to 0. Then click OK. Then here, what is given here, edit, given here is 22, right? Given here is 22 microfarad. Okay. So given is 22 microfarad, and then we will make this as 0 voltage. Okay, then click OK. Then here, what is a given? Edit 47 microfarad. 47 microfarad, and make this as 0 volts. Okay, so this is a resistor. Then go to capacitor rather. Then this is a resistor. We need to edit also. So since it is only the requirements is resistance, but we need to change this to lower value of a capacitance. So we will use micro ohm, 1 micro ohm, and then click OK. Then also this ammeter, we need to edit the ammeter. The current should be in RMS. What is RMS? Any answer for RMS? What is RMS, class? What is RMS? Anyone who give the meaning of RMS? What does it mean? It is abbreviation actually. We have the voltage RMS, we have the current RMS. What is RMS? Voltage RMS. I'm looking for the meaning of RMS. Anyone?
For current for short circuit.
No, the meaning, that is abbreviation. RMS is abbreviation. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of RMS? Anyone? Give me the, who can give the answer for that? RMS?
Current relay at RS.
Oh, current relay. Did you see? Oh, as like that. Oh, you have many different answer, right? So meaning, it is not necessary mean that you have answer. You can get the correct complete marks for that.
Root means
RM.
square.
Root
mean square.
Root. What? Repeat. Root.
Root means square.
Okay. Root means square. Root means square. Okay. Very good. What number your name here, brother?
Teacher, I have answered before, number 1.
You are number 1. Anyway, I will put again so that it is different question. There, no problem. Okay, you're in number 1. Okay, meaning it is root means square according to number 1. Okay, root means square. We need to change this to root means square. This current root means square. And it's okay.
Square.
Okay, root means square. Okay, brother. Now we need to change also this voltage edit. We will edit also this because I want to perform experiment. I want to perform this row number 4. Given is 10 volts. Volts VRMS, VRMS, then the frequency is 100. So I need to change this to 10. Okay, this is 10. And then my frequency, it is 100 here. Okay, 100 here. Then apply. Okay. The next procedure, we need to maximize this. Meaning we will adjust this to maximum level. This one. Okay. Then go to supply, edit. Okay, before that, I want to make it visible. So center circuit, then go to the supply, then view in new scope. Okay, this is view in new scope. So you will see this. Okay, then you will run. Okay, you will run the simulation. So let us wait until it will stop and he will give the exact reading for our current here. Okay. So 10 volts given is 10 volts. Ohms given here is 10 volts, right? Okay, 10 volts, 100 hertz. So just focus until it will stop here. Okay, almost. Okay, did you observe, class? Did you observe about the current? Tell me yes or no. Did you observe? 26.6647, it's not moving, right? Hello. Did you observe this? The current reading is not moving, meaning it is steady to, it is already 26.647 milliampere, okay? So meaning this is our current. So from here, we will go to report. Our current is how much? 26.647. Okay? So to calculate this, we want to get the value for this. The voltage that we are using, it is the voltage peak. It is equal to, what is the answer here? Anyone who can give answer? What is my answer here? Hello, class. Please participate. Calculate VRMS multiplied by square root of 2. What is the answer here?
1.4.
No, it's wrong. We have 10 already, brother. Voltage RMS, we have 10. Multiply by this 26.647 milliampere. 26.647 times 10 to the negative 3. What is the answer here? Give me your answer, please. No answer? I will give the answer. No answer? Just multiply.
6. Teacher, 6.
6, no. Because 10 already, brother. Oh. 10 multiplied by
8.
square root of 2, you have? Why you don't know how to multiply, brother? I will give the answer.
Teacher,
14.
0.5.
Teacher, can I give answer?
14.14. Why only number 1 giving answer? Brother, imagine this, oh. This is 10 volts. 10 volts multiplied by square root of 2. The voltage, the peak voltage become 14.14 volts. Okay? Divide by the current. 14.14 divided by the current. How much? Tell me. Don't give answer number 1. What is the answer here?
0.53.
Huh?
0.53.
No. Ay, no. XC, ah. XC. I'm looking for XC. What is your answer? Voltage divided by the current only.
10.
No, wrong.
Teacher, 0.53.
0.5, wrong. This one, no? You have already this.
265.
No, wrong. Only this, only this. Divide by the current.
5.5.
Milliampere for this. Oh.
Teacher, 265.2.
No, wrong. Wrong. What is your answer, please? I will give the answer again. No answer from you?
Listen, number 1, no answer.
No. I ask if you don't have answer, I will give the answer. If you have answer, give your answer, brother. What is your answer?
265.
Teacher,
No, wrong. I'm looking
530.
for.
6.
I'm looking for.
teacher.
I'm looking for capacitive reactance.
teacher,
Oh.
1.1.
You just divide, brother. 14.14 divide by 26.647 times 10 to the negative 3. What is answer here?
30, teacher. 30.
Wrong.
28,
Your
teacher.
I think there's no correct answer. The answer is 530. 530.64. So you just divide, okay? 14.14 divide by 26.647 times 10 to the negative 3. The answer here is 530.64 ohms, okay? So using this formula, your answer here should be 5.99. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, try to calculate. Did you get this? I repeat, 14.14 divided by 26.647 times 10 to the negative 3. The answer is 530.64 ohms. Then substitute to this formula, the answer is 5.99 microfarad. Okay? Then how to calculate for the charge? The charge is only given by the Q divided by equal to the capacitance multiplied by the voltage. The capacitance is proportional constant. So meaning this constant capacitance multiplied by the voltage here. So that is your total capacitance. Okay, is it clear? Why you don't know how to get this? X sub C. Try to calculate again, please. 14.14 divided by
Teacher,
26.
5.136.
It's not like this is the answer, brother. 560.64. Your answer is different. Because 14.14 divided by 26.647 milliampere, the answer is 530.64. And then the C total is 1 all over 2 pi multiplied by 100 multiplied by 530.64. So that is the total capacitance multiplied by 2. That is the total capacitance of 5.99. Okay. So again, from here, okay, I don't know why you don't get this value. What happened? No one get this value, 530.64.
Teacher, I
Nobody?
get the answer, teacher.
You get.
Yeah.
Oh, what is your name? What is your name? Number 1?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, Abdullah, you're Abdullah?
Yes.
Why Abdullah getting the correct answer? 1 out of class. Imagine 1 out of 19. You are all 19 in the class. Only one get this answer. Why? 500. You just divide it. 14.14 divided by 26.647 times 10 to the negative 3. So that you will calculate the total reactance and then you will substitute from this. You will get the answer. Okay? Abdullah, what is answer here, Abdullah? Multiply the 5.99 microfarad multiplied by 10, brother. How much? Abdullah? 5.99 microfarad multiplied by 10?
9.9.
9.9. Okay. So it is 9.9 microcoulomb, right? Abdullah, it is in microcoulomb.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Abdullah, because too much recitation for you. Okay, so in your report, since this is my task, again and again, it is very important. So get this. Okay, we will stop first. Then snipping tool. Okay. So from here, I will get my evidence that I performed this number 1. Okay, this is important. Some of you, until now, you don't follow my instruction. You need to answer all question here, but your task, there is an equivalent task here. So click, okay, click here and then paste. So this is your row number 1, and take note class about this. This is 0.25 mark. Just type table 1. If this is your task, table 1, row number 4. This is 0.25 marks, okay? This is already 0.25 marks. And then your discussion here, your discussion, I need to see and show your calculation, okay? Computation or calculation, okay? Calculation of your IT, okay? Then what is again other information that is needed? IT, X sub C, okay, XC, the total, and then the Q, okay. And then aside from this, if you have any other information, that is your discussion. So some of you still no discussion, no calculation. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it's clear. So it's now your task number 1. It is now my task number 1. Later, I will give your task. Anyway, you know already the system. So since the time is not enough, so we will go to parallel. So blank circuit here. Okay, blank circuit. Then we will construct the circuit. What is our circuit? Parallel. Very simple. Circuit only. Parallel like this. Okay, go to simulation. Draw parallel. Resist passive component as capacitor. Then connect it in parallel. This is one. First capacitor. Second capacitor. Okay. Then the third capacitor. Okay. Then we need a resistor for every every capacitor. Draw. This is capacitor. This is resistor rather. Another resistor here. And then another resistor here. Okay. Then draw output and level ammeter. We need ammeter here. Okay, like this. Okay. So resistor, we need a resistor here because I want a good presentation. That's why even the drawing should be exact and it looks nice. Then wire here. This is your wire. Then this is now the parallel connection. And then we will draw the input and sources. AC voltage source to terminal. Going here. Okay. Then edit. Go to center circuit. Okay. This is now visible, I think. This is now visible for you. So what is our capacitance? 10 microfarad, but you change this to 0 volts, 0 volt. Then this is 22. It is a constant. as 22 microfarad. 22 microfarad, then this is equivalent to 0. Okay. Then this, right click, edit, make it as 47. This is 47 microfarad. Then make this as 0. Okay. Then click OK. Then this 1K, we need to change also this 1K. Edit, we will make it as micro ohm, and this edit micro ohm. Okay. Then this also, it is in micro ohm. Okay. Then you know already what is RMS, right? Okay, RMS, current should be in RMS. Then click OK. Also the supply, what is our given supply in our task? So in our task, I want to do number, where is that? I want to do number here, number 2, 10 and 50, okay? 10 and 50. So meaning, what is here? It is 10, and then my frequency is 50. So here it is 50, okay? Then click OK. So 50 hertz already. So my voltage is 10. Okay, my voltage is 10. My voltage is 10 and then 50 hertz. Okay. Then this adjust to maximum level. Adjust to maximum level. Then right click, view in new scope. Okay, you have already the new scope here. 50 hertz. Voltage maximum is 10. Okay, or it's already there. And then run. Okay. Let's wait until it will start. Okay, so what is our current? So our current is 175.494, right? It is fixed. 175.494 milliampere. So we will go here. So our current is, again, 175.494. Okay, it is in milli. It is already in milli, okay? Milliampere. The next, okay. What is our total capacitance? Tell me. Or the capacitive reactance rather. Please calculate and give your answer. Total capacitance. First thing to do, you need to convert that into voltage peak. Peak voltage, then divide by the current. What is your answer here? Capacitive reactance. Except number 1. Abdullah, don't give answer.
79.
79, wrong. XC, brother, I'm looking for XC. The current is 175.494 milliampere. XC, what is your answer, XC? No answer? I will give the answer.
Wait, teacher.
Okay. Don't give answer, Abdullah.
Teacher 1.
1. Your answer is 1?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Wrong. Voltage peak. You will convert first to voltage peak like this. Voltage peak divided by current. That is your capacitive reactance. No answer? I think you don't know how to use a scientific notation in your calculation, in your calculator. I think that is the problem.
Teacher 1.41.
No, it's wrong. So I think I need to give now the answer. The answer is 80.57 ohms. Okay? So this is the answer here. And then substitute in the total capacitance. Whatever your answer multiplied by 2, that is equivalent to the same. Should be the same. Okay? 79. So I'm not much waiting for you for this calculation. You can practice it, and surely it is sure your answer is correct because it is based on your current here. This is 100% correct, class. The current here is 100% correct. Okay, so we will stop this, and then I need to copy my task. Okay, I will close this. And this is my parallel. Practice your calculation technique. You need to know how to calculate it manually. About capacitance, you need to practice, class. Okay, so this is my task. I will go to my report. Again and again, complete the data. And then this is my second task. Okay, so don't forget the label. If every time that I indicate in your marks in e-learning, it is stated there drawing, meaning no drawing, label, meaning to say you don't have this table, you don't this label. This is table 2. Okay, this is important because how can I know that where is your task if you don't put this, row number 2. So this is a drawing label. Okay, drawing label, and then the same with this. The calculation of IT, calculation of XC, CT, and then Q, and then your discussion. Okay, class? Then, next, we will proceed to series and parallel. So we'll go to circuit, then the blank circuit. Okay, Then what is our schematic diagram here? So our schematic diagram here stated that we need to connect 22 microfarad and 47 microfarad in parallel series to 10 microfarad. So we will construct a circuit like this here. So here, passive capacitor. So we have a capacitor. This is capacitor 3. And then this is capacitor 2. Okay. This is capacitor 2. Okay. The next, we have a capacitor 1 here. Okay. This is now the capacitor 1, capacitor 2, and capacitor 3. So take note that here, there should be a resistor here. Okay, resistor 1 and then resistor 2 also. So this is our resistor 2. Okay, the next, we need also the output and level, ammeter. This is ammeter. Okay, so ammeter, this one ammeter. Then add wire or connecting wires. We will connect it here and then here also. This is already a series parallel. Okay, combination of series parallel because this is connected in parallel and this is series with the supply. Okay. So we will go to draw input and sources. It is in alternating current, this alternating current. Okay. The next, edit center circuit. So I think it's now visible for you. Okay. So next procedure, we will change this to 10 microfarad 0 volt. Okay. Then this is 22 microfarad 0 volts or 0 volt. Click OK. How about this? Edit 47. Okay, 47 microfarad. Then this is 0. Okay. Then this one, we need to change this to resistance. So it is in micro ohm. Click OK. Then here, edit micro ohm. Click OK. And then here, edit. Okay. The current should be in RMS. And then what is, I want to perform, number 1. This one, number 1, okay? 5 volts and 50 hertz. Okay, 5 volts here. So RMS, okay. Then here, edit 5 volts. How much frequency? 5 volts and the frequency is 50. Okay, 50. Then click OK. Okay, so capacitor, resistance. Okay, so we have 5 volts, 50 hertz, and then current. Okay, so now we will proceed to this. You need to adjust this to maximum level. Okay, maximum level. Okay, then here, right click, view in new scope. Okay, After viewing the new scope, then run. Okay, let us wait until it will stop for the total current. Okay, while we are waiting for this, anyway, it's okay. We will wait for this. Okay, so still moving. Okay, so it's not moving. So the current is, did you observe this? The current is 9.701 milliampere. Okay, this is the current. So we will go to our report. Answer here is 9.701 milliampere. So what is our XT? XC? Please calculate. What is your answer? Here. What is your answer here, class? Five multiplied by square root of 2 divide by 9.701 milliampere. What is your answer here? No answer? I will give the answer. Anyone who will give the answer? Hello, class. Please respond to my question. No answer? Abdullah, what is your answer here, Abdullah? Hello, hello. Siraj, can you hear me? Siraj?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So no answer. You just divide it. I repeat, 5
Teacher,
times is okay.
513.4.
What? What is your answer,
513.4.
brother?
513.4.
No, it's wrong.
Teacher, it isn't Kc equal to V by I.
No, you need to get first the peak voltage, brother.
Teacher 86.
Huh?
86 by 0.59.
86. No, it's wrong, brother. Just multiply this 5. 5 multiplied by square root of 2. In your calculator, there is a square root of 2 there. Because this, did you see this formula? The voltage multiplied by square root of 2. So this one become 5. This is 5 multiplied by square root of 2. So the answer is 7.07 divided by this current. Okay. So your answer here should be what is your XC? It is 7. No, I will give the answer, brother. Huh?
728.79.
Okay, 728.79. What's your name, brother? Okay, 700. I will write first. I will type first 728. Please participate in our recitation. Point 79. Okay, what is your name?
Teacher, number 1.
Number 1 again. Why like this? So you are full mark in